Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and also in Limits and Continuity chapter. Okay. I think 9 classes we have finished it. Okay. 9 4s are 36. Yes. In this class, 10th class, we will finish from question number 37 to 40. This is JEE question, JEE 2010 question, question number 31, 37. This question is based on sandwich theorem. How we are going to do and observe carefully. If f is mapping function real number to real number, is positive and increasing function. This is very important. Positive and increasing, not negative and not decreasing function. Positive and increasing function. That means function is continuous. With limit extends to infinity, f of 3x by f of x is equal to 1. This they have given. They are asking same limit extends to infinity, but f of 2x by f of x is equal to how much, like? Now you see what I am writing. First one step I am writing. You see, f is positive and increasing implies f of x is less than f of 2x is less than f of 3x, or else f of 3x is greater than f of 2x, f of 2x is greater than f of 3x. Why? Because see, positive and increasing means this only will come. Okay. Now what I do, I will divide it by f of x. 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 Okay. If at all if I divide it by f of x, f of x by f of x is 1. This is going to become f of 2x by f of x. This value they have already given 1. Now you tell me, as per sandwich theorem, if two functions are having same value and in between the function, this function is also having the same value, that means f of 2x by f of x is equal to 1. Understand this logic? Okay. This is a logical question, like answer is 1. Why? Because this they have given 1. Even if you divide this, 1 is going to come because f of x by f of x, that's all 1. This is 1. This is also 1. Limit you need not bother. When 1 comes means limit you need not bother. It is going to become constant function. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 38. This is a good question and big question. Answer 2019 question. See what they have given. First, let us understand the question. If A is the point of discontinuity, see normally point of discontinuity is where it will occur. You see here function is from minus infinity to 0, 0 to 3, 3 to 6, greater than 6 means point of discontinuity may be at 0 or at 3 or at 6. This we have to know. Okay, first of all. That means the point of discontinuity A may be 6 or A may be 3 or A may be 0. That we will find now. Okay, after finding this A, then this A you have to submit here. If it comes 0 means limit extends to 0, if it comes 3 means limit extends to 3, if it comes 6 means limit extends to 6. Afterwards we have to do this limit. This limit is main limit. Okay, first find the point of discontinuity. Okay, how we are going to find? Like left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not equal means discontinuous. Okay, see what I am doing. Limit extends to 0 minus. 0 minus means left hand limit at 0, right hand limit at 0, this one. Okay, what you have to take? You have to take cos 2x. That is equal to, if you apply 0 automatically, 0, cos 0 is 1. Then you go for right hand limit. Limit extends to 0 plus right hand limit. 0 plus means greater than 0, this limit you have to take, e power 3x. I think this you have to take like that. E power 3x. X is 0 means e power 0. E power 0 is 1. That means see, at 0, this function is continuous. This is not discontinuous, but we want discontinuous point. Then you go for next one. You go for 3. Limit extends to 3 minus left hand limit. 3 minus means this only will come up to 3. This e power 3x. That is equal to 3 you are giving e power 9. Okay, Then you go for right hand limit. Limit x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus will be your right hand limit. 3 plus means greater than 3. This function will come. X square minus 4x plus 3. That is equal to 3. If you give 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Now you tell me e power 9 is not equal to 0. E power 9 is not equal to 0. Therefore, discontinuity a is equal to 3. Why? Because at 3 this function is not continuous. If 3 is also continuous, then we will check x. We don't require now. Why? Because this 6 we did not check. 3 is a discontinuous point. A we have got. A you apply here 3. Understand the logic? Okay. Now apply limit a. A is equal to 3. Limit x tends to 3. Now go for that. Okay. You see, x square minus 9 by x cube minus 5x square plus 9x minus 9. That is equal to limit x tends to 3. Shall I write this x plus 3 into x minus 3? Why I have written like this? You tell me first. Why? Because see, here at least this equation, this is not a quadratic equation, cubic equation. We cannot do trial and error method 0, plus 1, minus 1. Normally 0 we don't take. First apply 1, see whether 0 will come or not. Minus 1, 0 will come or not. 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. Rather than going now, if you factorize this automatically, you are going to know that you apply 3 first, you see. And after you apply minus 3 and see which one comes, which one satisfies. Automatically one root will come and you take that and you divide this. Okay, like that logic I am telling you. Okay, now you see what I am doing. See, I am doing rough work like you think. X plus 3 means x is equal to minus 3. At x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 27, minus 15. No. Minus 3 square 9 plus 9 minus 45. Okay. Minus 27 again. Now gone. Why? Because see only minus 9 is there. All minus is going to come. X minus 3 means. See at x is equal to 3. 3 cube 27. 3 square 9 into 5 minus 45. 3 into 9 plus 27. 9 minus 9. You see 45 minus 45 minus 9 54. 27 plus 54 minus 54. This is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 3 means x minus 3 is your factor. Okay. Now what I am writing, you see, x minus 3 I am writing. And I want to divide this equation with x minus 3. Now observe carefully. This is also rough work I am telling. Okay. Now this x minus 3 we have achieved. Now we are going to do divide this equation with x minus 3. Then we are going to get. Okay. Let us try to solve this x minus 3, 5x square plus 9x minus 9. I am dividing with x minus 3. You see x cube is there, x is there. X square you keep. X cube will come. Minus 3x square will come. Okay. This is going to get cancelled out. Minus 5 plus 3. Okay. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 2. Minus 2x square and plus 9x also you bring from numerator. See, minus 2x square is there. X is there. Minus 2x you take. Minus 2x into x. Minus 2x square. Okay. Minus 2x into minus 3. Minus plus will come. Minus, okay, 2 into 3, 6x. Now, this is going to become cancellation. 9x minus 6x. 3x will come. Minus 9 will come. Okay. X, 3x plus 3. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. That means this is 0. Now, this is this one. X square minus 2x plus 3. Understand this logic? Okay. Now this first calculation I am removing. Why? Because if you want again you pass and reverse it. Rewind and see how I have done and all. Now what I am doing? I am cancelling this x minus 3 and x minus 3. That's all. Now shall I apply limit? Definitely I can apply limit. Why? Because see if you apply limit 3 plus 3 6. 3 square 9. minus 6 plus 3. 6 by 9 plus 3, 12 minus 6, 6, 1. 1 is answer for this question. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 39. This is simple question only. Point of discontinuity is asking us to find, and 4 answers also they have given. All real number like they are mentioning. Actually, see at see point of discontinuity may be at 1 or 2. Among between these two values only it has to come. Okay, this is straight away you can reject this. Okay, at 1 or 2, 1 or 2 is there, but 3 how it has come? This is the logic. They give like that only. MSET 2000 question. That means the answer should be between 1 and 2. Why? Because point of discontinuity. Why? Because see, in between this is continuous. Here this is continuous. This is continuous. Okay. Let us proceed. See, point of discontinuity at 1 I am seeing. See, left hand limit x tends to 1 minus less than 1. 1 minus x. 1 minus x function you have to take. That means 1 if you apply automatically 0 it is going to come. 1 minus 1. Okay. Now right hand limit x tends to 1 plus. Right hand limit 1 plus means this one will come. What is this? 1 minus x into 2 minus x. See, 2 minus x you don't bother. 1 minus x means 1 minus 1 0. Here also 0 is there. Automatically this is going to become 0. That means see, left hand limit, right hand limit both are equal, 0 and 0. That means this is continuous here, not discontinuous. But he is asking discontinuity. Fails to be continuous means discontinuous. Discontinuous point you have to find. Okay? We can write simply continuous. Continuous, that's all. Okay? Now go for second one. For 2, limit x tends to 2 minus, left hand limit for 2. 2 minus means this you take. 1 minus x, 2 minus x. Okay? That is equal to. See, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Minus 1. 2 minus 2. 0. 2 minus 2, 0 means 0 you can write directly. Okay? This is left hand limit. Right hand limit you see. Limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means greater than 2. This you take. 3 minus x. Okay? Okay? 3 minus x. Right hand limit. 2 how to apply? 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you tell me 0 is not equal to 1. That means discontinuous. You look at discontinuous only. Why? Because he fails to be continuous. Failed here. Why? Because this is 0, this is 1. Failed. That is why, what is the point? Point is 2. Your answer is 2 means this is answer, your B. Okay? See, these two are not eligible. You see only 1. 1 is continuous means you don't see this. Directly you put answer 2 also. That is also wise way of doing. Okay? Let us go for it. Okay. See, question number 40. This is also a little bit bigger question. Why? Because see, point of discontinuity they are giving. 2 discontinuities are there. Observe carefully. 2 discontinuities are there. Those are A and B. But these 2 discontinuities, A is bigger than B. That means you see discontinuity may be at 0, discontinuity may be at 1, discontinuity may be at 2, discontinuity may be at 3. If 1 and 2 are discontinuous means 2 will be A, 1 will be B. Why? Because A should be bigger than B. What they are asking? They are asking what is the value of 3A minus B. Okay, MSET 2018 question. Okay, now step by step we will find limit 0 minus, limit 0 plus, left hand, right hand. Straight away I am going to do it in one line. Okay, see what I am writing. Limit x tends to 0 minus 3 minus 2x square is equal to. That means you are applying 0. 0 if you apply 3. 3. Then go for limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus greater than 0 means this 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 if you apply 0 automatically 3 will come. 3. That means see both are same means continuous but we want discontinuous. That means this 0 is not a discontinuous point. Okay, continuous. Continuous. Continuous we don't require. We require discontinuous. Now go for 1. 1 minus 1 plus limit left hand right hand. Okay, limit x tends to 1 minus 1 minus means 2x plus 3, that is equal to 2 plus 3 5. Limit x tends to 1 plus right hand limit. 1 plus means this one 1 plus 2x square minus 3x, that is equal to 1 square 1 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 3 minus 1. See, 5 is not equal to minus 1. That means, see, 5 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, 1 is a point of discontinuous. 1 is a point of discontinuous. See, 1 is a point of discontinuous means surely it is B. Why? Because see, 0 is less, but B is less here. Okay, that you remember. Now we will see for 2 and 3 also. Okay, let us see. 2 limit x tends to, that means see, this is 1 is B is equal to 1. Directly we can write it. But we will find A. Why? Because A is bigger. A may be 2 or A may be 3. Why? Because A is bigger than 2 and 3 are bigger than 1. Okay, let us see. 2 minus 2 minus means see 2x minus 3. No. 2 minus means 2x square minus 3x. Okay, that is equal to, see, 2 square 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 6 2. Why? Because 2 3s are 6. Here 6, here 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, this is left hand limit. Right hand limit you go. The limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus will be your right hand limit. 2 plus means this one will come 2x minus 3. 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 3 1. 4 minus 3 1. But see, 2 is not equal to 1. This value is 2. This value is 1. 2 is not equal to 1. Therefore, 2 is point of discontinuous. That means your A will be 2. Why? Because A is greater than B. Okay. Now what they are asking, 3A minus B. Write down. 3A minus B is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 1. That is equal to 5. 5 will be your answer. Okay. In limits, continuity we have reached. Limits and continuity. Now we are doing continuity. I don't think again they are going to mix this. We will see what questions will come and next. Okay. I said already 40 questions have finished. At least 10 more questions we will finish. We will close this chapter. Okay. Thank you very much.